And so in this moment, engaging your focus and attention. So allow your body to be still. Just be aware of the body, of its posture, its orientation, the parts of your body that are bearing the weight, maybe as you sit or as you lay. Being attuned to your breathing very naturally, just to that very simple experience of your body breathing itself. There's a richness and aliveness when we simply bring our attention fully and completely to our physical senses. In those moments we're not lost in daydreams or memories, but we're here in the alive, rich, changing detail of every fresh moment. And it's here in these wakeful moments that life happens. It's always now. And as we come then into this Christmas period, and perhaps we'll be spending some time with friends, relations, maybe people we haven't seen for a while. Simply turning our attention to our senses. Can simply help us appreciate each moment that we have with them. It's so easy to be with someone else and then for a mind to be considering other things we need to get done in the future. Something we forgot to do in the past. But being wakeful to each moment. Here, fresh. And it's an opportunity too to remind ourselves that the people that we're with are other rich human beings. When we come literally to our senses when we're with other people, we look behind and beyond some of the ideas and labels that we may have placed on them. So they're this sort of person, or they're that sort of person. But when we sit and open our eyes and our ears and our attention, that's when we start to notice all the nuances. We begin to see them as they really are. A rich human being just like us, with a full, long history. With hopes and dreams, concerns and worries, just like us. And the time that we get to spend with family and friends is a gift. Just like each moment that we're given is also a gift. And perhaps the best response to any gift is to take our attention to it. Right now, each breath that your body brings is a gift. Bringing life. Feel the breath come and go. Ever present companion. And the breath has a rhythm. As we feel the body respond, as the belly or chest inflate, as the breath comes in and then they relax as it rolls out. It can be as if we're rolling with the waves of breathing. The body rising, the body falling. In the same way, when we were young and we laid our head on a parent or sibling's belly, and our head would rise and fall on their breathing. And that regular rhythm, we'd find ourselves breathing in tune, matching breath for breath. And each out-breath would be relaxing. be comfort in the rhythm. You would rest and float on the waves of their breathing, like a boat in the harbour that just bobs up and down with the waves. So ride to this breathing. Be lulled by this breathing. Rest on this breathing. Let every breath that your body takes take you further down, down into comfort, into stillness, into quiet.